streets of Macau.
Okay, this street is called the first street of the Bairro Iao Hon, and it leads into the border ultimately. And I don't think I've actually filmed it and labeled it accordingly, but not too far from here is Triangle Park. It's directly around the corner, and over here is this kind of Era Preta neighborhood. So there's a lot of streets with the names like first, second, third, fourth, and then this one, this Iao Hon. We're gonna go down the first street of the Rua Iao Hon. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we kind of got a cool bike coming right here. So we're gonna capture that bike as we go through. That's kind of cool. Huh. I don't really see bikes like that very often. Wonder where he's going. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down our target street and we'll just follow this towards the border. And this is this Iao Hon neighborhood. And the street name is right there. You can barely see it. We'll see if we can see it. And this street leads into another one. I think it turns into Serenity Street. Rua Serenidade. Got a marketplace, lots of apartments all the way up here, and then straight ahead we have these kind of older buildings that we're gonna look at in a second. One of the things that these little alleys are interesting. I don't know what these streets are in here. I think they're just sometimes they're just part of the other bigger street. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're just going to go all the way down. I think we're going to see more of those. I'm going to just see if there's more of those little side streets. I think there are in this neighborhood. There's little restaurants. That's kind of cool. It's like a Portuguese thing. Okay. So we're going to be walking towards a park in here in a minute. There's the park right there. We'll just continue along. Let me just kind of take a look here. Here's the park. Got badminton on one side. It's just kind of cool. It's like a shuttlecock game. It's cool. That's pretty cool. Amazing. We got lots of, I got Chongji, I think, playing Chinese chess. We also got some exercise equipment in here too. So all kinds of kind of interesting stuff. So, okay. That's our target street. We're gonna go, this is also the, that one right there is Cuatro. So we're on Um is number 1. And then there's actually 9 streets of this Iao Hon neighborhood. Let me just go across here. Okay, let me go across like this. I think this is going to turn into a different street. Serenity, I think. But we'll keep on going up until we see it's not ours anymore. It's kind of cool. This Iao Hon area has a lot of these kind of things with phone numbers and different stuff. Cool looking mailboxes. There's the park over there. And all these kind of older tenement looking apartment style stuff. Spice up your life, it says. Okay. Let me just kind of see. There's some other stuff to the corners. Golden mix. So this is like number 5. It's getting a little bit dark. Those little alleys that go down like that. Okay. And I think that our street is gonna turn into the other one pretty soon. I think it's maybe we're already switched over to the other street. We'll look for street signs up here. The border is straight ahead. So, okay. I kind of have a feeling that our street is already finished. So I think that's basically the first street of the Iao Hon neighborhood. Really amazing buildings, architecture. Okay, on that note, we're gonna end our video.